Imagine being able to experience and learn about some of the best travel destinations and landmarks in the world, all from the comfort of your home. Well, that's all possible through the use of virtual tours. But what exactly is a virtual tour, and why, as a travel enthusiast like yourself, should you experience one? Let's find out. Simply put, a virtual tour is an immersive digital experience that allows users to explore a location remotely through interactive and 360-degree photos. Unlike traditional photos or videos, virtual tours provide a dynamic, panoramic view of a space. These tours can be self-guided or interactive, with clickable elements, informational pop-ups, and even audio to enhance the user experience. Now, not to be too confusing, there's a difference between a virtual tour and a VR/360 video. With a virtual tour, it is made up of primarily 360-degree photos, and you get to choose where you want to go in it. Now, with a 360 or VR video, it's basically a video where you can look in any direction. However, you don't get to choose where you want to go in the video, so you're kind of beholden to where the video takes you. So that's the main difference between the two, is the ability of choice, of choosing where you want to go. But whatever the case, when well produced, a virtual tour or a VR video can present a great experience for a travel enthusiast. So now we know what is a virtual tour, but why a virtual tour? Virtual tours can be used for two main reasons. A good virtual tour should be able to take you on a journey where you can get up close with landmarks and entire cities. If curated properly, a good virtual tour should be able to simulate a walking tour, a city bus tour, or even a helicopter tour. Second is for planning. With a virtual tour, it gives you an idea of what to look for and what to expect. This can be especially useful if your lodging offers a virtual tour, allowing you to see the room and the premises before you even book. Next, how do you view and experience a virtual tour? Contrary to popular belief, you do not need a VR headset to take a virtual tour. A virtual tour can be experienced on a mobile device, tablet, desktop, hell, even a smart refrigerator. If it has a touchscreen, you can do a virtual tour. But a VR device is the best way to experience a virtual tour. So if you're looking towards using a virtual tour for its immersion, then a VR headset is definitely the best way to go. However, you can still explore and experience a virtual tour on any other device just as well, but it will lack the immersion. Now next, where to experience a virtual tour? Where do you find these things? The internet. Here are a couple of places where you can find a virtual tour. The first, YouTube. YouTube offers hundreds of free 360-degree videos from countries all over the world. We even have a couple of 360-degree videos on our channel, which I'll link in the description box. Next is our website, airworthytours.com. Airworthy Tours offers a dozen virtual tours and counting of America's most popular travel destinations, including Chicago, Los Angeles, Miami, Honolulu, and more. In addition to being interactive and immersive, our tours include music and sound effects, as well as an audio narration that will guide you through the experience. Link is in the description below. Now, outside of us, there are a couple of famous landmarks and attractions that offer free virtual tours, including national parks such as Yosemite and Mount Rushmore, famous museums such as the Louvre. You can also take a free virtual tour of the City of London. In addition, you can experience Mardi Gras right now by clicking on the video on your screen. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.